In this video, we will learn how to use tape recorder in Windows. So let's start. The recorder is a great tool for capturing your action on the computer. So which is a useful for creating the guides. To being the click on the start menu and type this tape recorder. So here you see the find the first option, tape recorder. Just click on the tape recorder application from the search result. Here you see the tape recorder is open. You will see the simple interface with a few buttons. So click on the start record buttons to begin the capture your action. As you perform the tasks on computer, the steps recorder will record the all steps and screenshot of the records. So here I just record something and click on the stop record. And here you see the all step is recorded. These are first steps, then the second steps I just click on the Excel, then third step I open that, and fourth steps here you see, and fifth steps, then sixth, and then seven. So this is the way the recorder is every step showing here, recorded every steps. It is so helpful to everyone. So here you see the above side the new recording option available, and you can save the your recorded steps also. Just click on it, save, and click your these steps in your computer. So that's it. The step recorder is a powerful tool for documenting your computer tasks. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.